week started. Let's go. Lifting up, thanks. Really makes you tired. Alright, we continue. Lifting and lifting. It is time to trim this because it's itching like crazy.
So loose that it's very easy to slip it. There for scraping, like with old teeth on.
It was a mini break to get rid of the beard, and then we continue. Alright, I'm finishing the edit. I'm rebranding everything. I'm changing the name, my Insta and my YouTube, my Facebook, everything. I'm changing to Mativerse, Matías Universe, but it's Mativerse, the handle. I changed my logo, I changed everything. So take a look and let me know what you think. Subscribe, put the bell. See you tomorrow.